Hello everyone. Today we are discuss about the MCQs for second year students which may be asked in the MSBT exam 2020 for the subject hospital and clinical pharmacy. So let's start our today's discussion on the MCQs of hospital and clinical pharmacy. So let's see. First question is OPD stands for. Okay, first question is OPD stands for. For this question, there are four options. First option is outpatient department. Second option is outpatient department. Third option is outpatient demand. Fourth option is outpassive department. And the correct answer of this question is outpatient department. So option A is correct. Okay. Let's see second question. Lal test of pyrogen performed on. Question is Lal test of pyrogen performed on. First option is rats. Second is rabbit. Third one is guinea pig. Fourth one is blood lysates. And the correct answer of this question is blood lysates. That is option D. Let's see next question. Pyrogens are. Okay, the question is pyrogens are. First option is water soluble. Second option is water insoluble. Third option is lipid soluble. Fourth option is lipid insoluble. So correct answer is water soluble. So pyrogens are water soluble. So answer A is correct. Next question is DIS stands for. First option is Drug Information Service. Second option is Drug Implementation Service. Third option is Drug Including Syndrome. Fourth option is Drug Incorporation Syndrome. Okay, so these are four options. The correct answer of this question is Drug Information Service. So option A is correct. Next question is EOQ stands for. EOQ stands for. First option is economic order quantity. Second is equipment order quantity. Third is essential order quantity. Fourth is enlist order quantity. So correct answer of this question is economic order quantity. So EOQ stands for economic order quantity. That is option A. Next question is if the size is 201 to 300, then how many pharmacies should be there? If the hospital size is 201 to 300, then how many pharmacies should be there? The correct answer of this question, or there are various options. First option is 10. Second is 5. Third option is 1. Fourth option is 3. The correct answer is 10. Okay, 10 pharmacists is required for the hospital size 201 to 300 bed size. Okay, so answer is option A. Next, etiology means. Next question is etiology means. First option is cause of disease. Second option is inflammation of joints. Third option is removal of disease. Fourth is increase in heartbeat rate. Okay, there are 4 options. So the correct answer of this question is cause of disease. So etiology means cause of disease, that is option A. Next question is a state resulting from the repeated use of drug. Dash is a state resulting from the repeated use of drug. Okay, there are 4 options. First option is drug addiction, second option is drug interaction, third option is drug dependence, and fourth option is drug habituation. So correct answer of this question is drug addiction, that is option A is correct. Next question, decrease in neutrophils is first option is schizophrenia, second option is neutropenia, third option is neutrophilia, and fourth option is Alzheimer. So the correct answer of this question is neutropenia. Okay, in penia the neutrophils are get decreased. Okay, so correct answer is neutropenia, that is option B. Next question is the normal value of blood cholesterol is option A 0 to 50 mg%, option second is 122 to 40 mg%, third option is 50 mg%, and fourth option is 100 to 120 mg%. The correct answer of this question is 122 to 40 mg%, that is answer B is correct for this question. Next question is PVC stands for. PCV stands for. First option is polychloride vinyl, second is particle volume, third option is packed cell single, and fourth option is packed cell volume. So correct answer of this question is packed cell volume, that is option D is correct answer. Next question is role of pharmacist at bedside pharmacy is. Okay, so first option ward visit, second option is interaction, third option is detailing, fourth option is all the above, and the correct answer of this question is ward visit, that is option A. Okay, so role of pharmacist at the bedside pharmacy is ward visit. Next question is drug or chemical agent that affect abnormalities in developing embryo is called. First option idiosyncrasy, second is teratogenicity, third is teratogen, fourth option is ADR, that is adverse drug reaction. So correct answer of this question is teratogenicity. Okay, so correct answer of this question is teratogenicity, that is option B. Next question, which is not an example of drug addiction? First is morphine, second option heroin, third option is alcohol, fourth option is tea and coffee. So correct answer of this question is option D, that is tea and coffee. Okay. Let's see next question. The following are teratogenic drugs. Next question is the following are teratogenic drugs except. First option is tetracycline, second option is chloramphenicol, third option is warfarin, fourth option is phenytoin. Okay, so these are the four options and the correct answer is warfarin. Warfarin is not a teratogenic drug. So option C is correct for this question. So let's start. This is our today's discussion on MCQs of hospital. Hope these questions are helpful for your MSPT exam. All the best, student.